How to fix stopcode 0xc000021a when updating NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960 drivers on Windows 10. Here are the useful steps. Recommended: get a working Windows PE bootable recovery disk, aka Windows PE rescue disk, prepared. 1. Ensure you're using the above-mentioned NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960 graphics card. 2. Try running your Windows in its safe mode, then choose automatic repair or repair-related options. 3. If step 2 did not work, rerun your system in safe mode, and then enter UEFI firmware settings. Once the submenu is loaded, choose Disable Driver Signature Enforcement by pressing the 7 key on your keyboard. 4.1 Delete the newly installed NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960 graphics drivers. Reboot and see if this helps. 4.2 If not, rerun your system in the PE mode. You can install a new system there. Refer to the IMG below. Always, you can move your personal data in WinPE mode first.